Hey everyone, got myself an early Christmas present. How about we see what's inside? That's right, it's a Dji Ronin S. I finally got one, and I can't wait to unbox it and see what it can do. So, let's go ahead and do that. Ah, not a bad case. Pretty tough styrofoam, but it's styrofoam, but it's like a very nice styrofoam. It's actually got a handle, a plastic handle, and a locking mechanism here, which I guess flip out and turn. Opening this way. Let's see what we have. All of that as the little desiccant packages slide out. As you can see, there's the gimbal itself, charger, mounting bracket, handles, a little tripod there, and let's see what's in this little package. Screws and mounting plates and all kinds of stuff. More silica packets. And looks like a cable in there. Well, that was boring enough. I'm going to set it up, and we're going to do that sort of in time-lapse because I'm guessing that's going to take a little bit of time. But anyway, I'll see you back right in just a couple minutes here. And there it is. Now, I've just got to get it all calibrated, and we'll be ready to take it out and do some filming. So, I got it all set up and it's charged and should be ready to go. Just got to go through the process of adjusting it and getting it calibrated with the app, and we're going to go out and film some Christmas lights. So that'll be fun. So, we just filmed the lights. Now it's time to feed the animals. I'm going to go down and film that with this whole setup. Lorian here. We can turn this around, and it's all dark down where she is. Actually, I'm probably in the dark too, so you can see. We're going to go down and feed the goats, and this should be kind of cool. That was kind of a mess, but I'm not going to do another take. it seems to be working pretty well so far. Once you get it up and running, it's really smooth. Works pretty flawlessly, actually. And once you have everything adjusted, you really could just put the camera on pretty quickly if you have it just using the same lens, same setup. However, the initial adjustment, it takes a long time to get used to the process of adjusting it. I'm sure that's something I'll get used to with practice to get it down faster. However, it was kind of a struggle to do it first. I will say it's very nice to be able to film on this large APS-C format Canon DSLR, my 80D, with this my nice Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter lens on it. It means I can shoot in much lower light than I could, with like the DJI Osmo, which doesn't do what I have. So I'm looking forward to testing this out in daylight, though, on a trail, which I'm planning to do tomorrow, and I should be able to get a better idea of typical use. Anyway, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, all that. I'll see you all again next time. It suddenly went black. Bye!